A skull, human remains. Let's find it. I think it has something to do with this gas pipe. Oh, it's just a drop.
Yeah, exactly, to get to that gas line.
Yeah. That's spiders. Oh, I love technology. Okay. This is the color that I want to paint my room, because it's been like 15 years since these walls were painted, and it used to be a child's room. I got the window seals done. The walls in here are going to be green, and it's going to be so pretty. I have these shelves in here, but I want to stain them so they're the same color as everything else in here. Woof, woof. You good girls? You good girls? Yeah? You said you good girls.